going to talk about how to use Obsidian Bible reference plugin on a smartphone. There are two options. First one is through double hyphen in the editing mode. So now I'm in editing mode. Started with double hyphen, follow with the book name, then the book chapter index, and words index. Now you will get the context of the words. The other option is in rendering mode, you can use the command Pallette. Let's switch to the rendering mode, open the command Pallette, look for the Bible words lookup, click it, tap the book name, chapter index, and the words index. And now you got the words.